Wel, croeso mawr I ffilm bach ni, sydd yn rhan o brosiect cwlwm seiriol a chyngor cymuned Cwm Cadnant. Roeddwn yn falch iawn o gyhoeddi lawnsiad llwybr droed Cylch Cyttir. Yr oedd na wahoddiad I pawb dod draw I helpu dathlu ar y degfed o Fehefin. Oedd y diwrnod yn digwydd mewn 2 leoliad, Cyttir Mawr a Neuadd Llandegfan. Oedd na teithiau cerdded wedi trefnu drwy'r dydd gyda gweithgareddau i'r teulu a stondina gwybodaeth. Oedd yn cyfle gwych I bawb cyfarfod, rhannu, dysgu a cael hwyl. Diolch enfawr I pawb am diwrnod bendigedig. Well, welcome to a short film on behalf of Cwlwm Seiriol Project and Cwm Cadnant Community Council. We were delighted to announce the launch of Cylch Cyttir footpath. There was an invitation for everyone to come along to help celebrate on the 10th of June. It was held in 2 locations, Cyttir Mawr and the Neuadd Llandegfan. There was organised walks throughout the day along with some family activities and information stands. It was a fantastic opportunity for everyone to meet, share, learn and have fun. What a wonderful day. Thank you to everyone.
Right. So beth yw'r planhigyn yma? Beth yw'r hon? Beth yw'r hon? Miefi a ffrwyth fwyaf duon yn tyfu yna fan da. A mae o'n bigog dydy. Ia? Wan, yna sawl peth. Dach chi'n gwybod am mwyaf duon I hynna? Dydy yno. Mae nhw'n fendigedig dydy. Ia, llawn vitamin C, dda iawn I chi. A mae unrhyw eiron tywyll yn eich dark fruits are really beneficial antioxidant. Ia, mae'n un newydd dydy. Mae'n lot dydy. Ia, os ydych chi'n doddi fo gynta, a jyst roed ar y gwefus. Ia?
You can't get to try beans.
Oh, do you know what? Maen nhw'n really nice, boys. Mae'r dail ifanc yn neis mewn salad. Okay? Young leaves yn salad. Wedyn, os ydych chi'n stripio fe lawr, plait it against each other, against the twist, and then you'll have a piece of string. Okay, it's quite strong. Also really good for rosacea. You know, so if you use your balms, infuse your oils with the leaves, it's really good for rosacea. There was a wood and there were pigs. Big ones, small ones, brown ones, white ones, splodgy ones, stripy ones. And the biggest of all of them was a great white sow, ac roedd ei henw Henwen. Anyway, these pigs kind of belonged to Dathwy Dath Ben, and he was blind, but he was a seer. He could see vision. And he had a vision that Henwen was going to have a baby who would be a monster.
Okay.
And so they thought, well, she's had a long life, she's had a lot of kids, she's had a good life. Maybe it's time for the end of her life. She can be food on our table. So Henwen was in the forest and she heard this horrible sound, the sound of stone on metal. Do you know what it was?
The one of those like carving.
It was a knife being sharpened. And she thought,
I hate that sound.
I do not like that sound. And so she got up on her 4 legs, even though she was pregnant, again. She got up on her 4 legs and she began to run through the forest. And Koth, the swineherd, saw her begin to run. And so he ran after her. And she ran out of the forest and he ran after her. And she ran to the edge of the land, to a cliff. And she jumped off the cliff into the sea. And he jumped after her and he grabbed onto the white bristles of her back and they were swept up and down the Bristol Channel until eventually they washed ashore in Morgannog, in Wales, in South Wales. Ond I hel dalgweithion, be ydych chi angen neud ydy cofio bo'r pigad dod I fyny fel yna, so the spines come out like this. Okay? So peidiwch a rhoi llawch I fewn fel yna, dwi'n mynd I bigo chi. Okay? Dych chi'n mynd I fewn a jyst yn dal fel yna, nid yn pigad, dych chi'n fflado'r pigad. So helnwch pryd maen nhw'n ifanc, when they're young, before they've gone to flower, cyn iddyn nhw mynd I flodau. Okay? Neu stir fry, iddyn nhw roed am yn crempog, beth felly. Ond wedyn panad hefyd, mae hynna. Ac os ti'n licio crempog, crempog ysgalen, elderflower pancakes, okay? So ti'n hel y blodyn, iawn? A champagne, a cordial, a pob peth. Prynu di agor, de, ti jyst yn tynnu'n hyn o blodo off i wan. Ti'n neud crimpach di, ti'n reid e fewn.
That's